Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam isn't downloading this game issue. Now first up, what you'd want to do is to restart your Steam and your computer. So you can do this by fully exiting Steam by clicking on the Steam icon on your system tray. So your system tray should be the taskbar right below here. Then just click on this show hidden icons button, and then here you can see Steam. Just right click on it and then click on exit Steam. After that, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then relaunch Steam. Next up, you can also check your internet connection. So just ensure you have a stable connection, and you can also try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible. And then you can also clear Steam's download cache. So to do this, just head to Steam, click on this Steam option right here, click on Settings, and then we're going to go to Downloads right here. And then just click on Clear Cache right beside Clear Download Cache. This will require you to log back into Steam, so just log in with your credentials afterwards. Next up, you can also change download region. So again, head to Settings, and then Downloads, and then under Download Region, select a different region from the drop menu. What you can also do next is to verify the integrity of your game file. So in your Steam library, just gonna head there real quick. We're gonna right click on a game that isn't downloading. So for example, let's say this one, just right click on it. And then we're gonna select properties and then installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also try running Steam as an administrator. So just right click on Steam or the Steam icon on your desktop and then click on run as administrator. You can also make sure to check if you have any Windows updates and update any network drivers, as well as disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily, as these things might cause an issue with Steam downloading games. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.